People, welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, I'm going to touch on the Phillip Paulwell missing baby mother and baby. Now that you say, some bodies were found, burnt. It's likely to be them. They might do them DNA. The baby mother's name is Tashina Patterson. And the little girl name is Sarayah Paulwell. Now we are here to say, his other baby mother is the suspect, and main suspect, with about 3 men. They were the Bradshaw. The facts that we are talking about one of Jamaica's most senior politicians, and we are talking about baby mother, like one youth down the road. It's extraordinary. But this is normal, I guess. We are going to tell them about the quote-unquote world-class investigation that took place, yes. JCF pulled out all the tricks out of the bag. But telling you, say, it's either them can't do it or them don't want to do it. Cases like this show say look like it's a case that they don't want to do it because who knew? Right, well, it's kind of a rhetorical question, but who knew that the way to get top-level investigations is to be related to an MP? Do something I'm to you. You're going to hear about it. Can one baby mother run program on the next to the point of all the pit the dead? When the story first happened, I'm going to start here 1 and 2 look at things. I say, stink a unicorn meat. I see the police come out and say, so far they don't see nothing to tie Phillip Paulwell to it. But, based on what we're seeing here, this little girl and her mother was not exactly welcomed in the castle. The baby mother take it up on herself. Get rid of the next baby mother and the baby. You see, the baby are the key right there. So. But no, say baby mothers can have an issue. But baby mother take it up on himself, kill all the baby. That little girl last name was Paulwell. Look like they never want to have it. Extraordinary story to be attached to a man of his standing. Even the most hardcore kerosene. And I've heard about and know a lot. That's about kerosene where they even drive the car up on the shooting. Now kidnap the man, other baby mother and the pitney and kill them. I'm playing a role like this is next level madness. The most you will see is 2 baby mother fight. That's as far as it gets. Baby mother take other baby mother and baby. Tragic story. 10-month-old. Don't get no more innocent than that. Something right about that story. Now we're telling about the investigations JCF put on for, catch the suspects them. But all it missing in that story. That's why I've been telling you, so I can't take them seriously. No matter how much money you have, no matter how the title big, and I'm gonna beat you in the chest and say, man a yard and man a big man a yard. Cut the crap. This story is poster child for carelessness. But that's why I'm telling you, say, when you can't listen to these people, these MPs and these senators, their homes are not in order. You cannot lead others if your house is not in order. Let me tell you something right now. If my home going in disarray, if my family in disarray, all YouTube videos have to stop until that fix. Me can't come on YouTube and tell nobody nothing and my house is not in order. Oh, yeah, but you're going like say. No. Uno are going like say, uno a man a yard, uno a big shot, uno a general, and anything when they say goes, clearly that's not the case. If baby mother run program for next baby mother, when man have them things sorted out, If them even have multiple children and multiple women, all of the women them supposed to can stand up in the same building, in the same room, and keep them kids quiet. And no war can go on, and no bag of excitement and drama can go on. That's when you know the man them really have them things started out. Right? Man all married, divorced, get new wife, and the ex-wife and the current wife, right, sit down at the same table. And then is not make. Be related to an MP or a big, somebody who's quote unquote important. Right? And the level of police work turn up. Right? They might go tell us, no, we treat all cases equally. Unicorn meat. Story of the observer. Right? Listen to this. A lucky break. Quote unquote lucky. And an investigation which would rival the best in the world have left the police confident that they have cracked the case in the abduction and suspected killing of the 10-month-old daughter of MP Phillip Paulwell and her mother. How often you read and observe a story and it start off like that? You want them to go back now? Just give you now 10 seconds. Think about it. You done? The answer is none, never, or once, right? Every unicorn moon. Investigation which would rival the best in the world? How we observe our say? Sound like some high-level policing. Listen to this next quote. Right? And this is coming from Fitz Bailey, DCP Bailey. The evidence that we have is very strong. And we will allow the administrative procedures to be concluded before we make that determination. Right. Further down him say, but I am convinced that we're on the right track. I'm convinced about the quality of the evidence, about the potency of the evidence. Right. I'm gonna start that up. I can tell you, say, man, them do some real work on that case, yeah. Me have to go find my MP, what that mean? So if nothing happened to me, I know say something might come on time. If anybody know an MP that is willing to adopt a local YouTuber, right, let me know. Them say they get a video at show one time, you know. The mother and the daughter were entering a grey SUV the same day they were abducted. Right. The video did not show the license number of the vehicle, but it was enough for the sleuths, right, to narrow down their search for the two. In addition, the detectives utilized technology to track the use of Patterson's cell phone to determine that it was last used in Upper St. Andrew, right, yeah, at a site where Bradshaw's phone was active at the same time. Armed with the information, the investigators linked a series of calls between Bradshaw and the men now in custody. Those calls reportedly intensified on the day Patterson and the baby were abducted. That means say, them check the missing mother's phone, then them link Bradshaw's phone, then them link who Bradshaw talked to, and them say it intensified. That means say whole heap of call and make back and forth call. Things are going on, so you need to constantly give updates. That is first class police investigation. Now enough time, man dead, right? Man call man, where they? Come outside, he go outside, and he get 10 shot, kill him. Say it's alright, this should be easy. Find out who call him outside, and then you'll have some kind of proof to work with. We'll get back to you. We'll let you know. How much people you know are dead, and you think to yourself, but then get the car, then get the circum, then here. We'll let you know. Look at the level of police work. And don't get me wrong. Right. Phillip Paulwell's dear mother, right, and daughter deserves this kind of police work. They deserve high-level investigations. Right. I'm not saying stop doing it. I'm saying make this common. Do this right across the board. This is not what we normally see. Usually, You have to fight them to do them job. You have to say, see video there, see plate there. Why not get the cell phone? Why not get the? We let you know. First class. You observe I say world can rival world class investigation. Man in turn the CIA, man in turn the Secret Services, man in turn the MI5, man in turn the KGB, Russian FSB, the man in turn the Mossad. On the case. But then the big assistant commissioner of correction dead. And even though she said the man clearly never take him on alive, and him clearly say foul play go on, and come out and say, well, I'm taking him on life, that's the best we can do. Why am I thinking there? See you later. You see them can't do it, no one. I'm not gonna say, you still have no like little YouTube and the car, come out talk about. Listen, we treat all cases equally. Unicorn me. But Paulwell, your house is not in order, so. Right. If we're not going to lead people, make sure we can lead in our home. How can you get a community in order? How can you get a constituency in order when you can't get your home in order? How are you going to rein in the acidic elements in our community, in our constituency, in our nation, when they cannot rein in the acidic elements in your bed? Woman you lie down with, get up and run program, and the next woman you lie down with, they all pitney dead. And if you this whole people walk around and beat chest and talk about man of yard, just stop it. Just stop it. It don't even sound right. Babe mother drama, till all one are dead. But you know what could have stopped this, right? If she had some money. Poverty causes, it already. Poverty causes murders, right? A tragic story, 10-month-old baby, innocent child, gone. Right, the baby never asked for nobody make her. Right? The baby never asked to be born in a chaotic, right, and quite simply and obviously dysfunctional setting. But the baby paid the ultimate price. All on the Jamaican man will walk around and beat in the chest and call himself big man and top man and galleys and get to know us in order. And the baby mother drama thing is played out. And at this point it's corny. And when you start cost children them lives, it's not at the extreme end of acidic. Anyway, Agent Squad, pick up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know more life. Vulture Squad, see you circling. Bless.